Hey diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share another custom canvas for my Summer with the Masters event that's going on in collaboration with the lovely Katie over at Diamonds and Washi. Now, I was going to try to kind of fit this canvas into my last video for Summer with the Masters, but that video was just getting far too long, and so I thought I might just pop in with a separate video for this canvas. Now, if you're interested in more info about Summer with the Masters, make sure you check out our playlist up in the cards up top. I'll make sure it's linked there. And then make sure you check out Diamonds and Washi because she has A, fabulous Summer with the Masters videos, and B, just awesome content all around. Now, today's canvas is from Crafties. I am a Crafties affiliate. I show a lot of Crafties here on the channel. That just means that Crafties regularly sends me products for review at no cost to me, and then I put a link in the description below. If you guys like what you see and you choose to shop using that link, then I receive a small commission. However, it's important to me that I always do honest reviews regardless of my status with a company. I do also regularly offer a discount code from Crafties, so huge thanks to Crafties for passing that savings along. When Crafties reached out to me recently about showing another canvas to you here on the channel, I told them, you know, Katie and I actually have this event going on, and we're doing a lot of customs with the event. How would you feel about letting us show a custom from Crafties? And they were all about that, which was great. So today's canvas is a custom that I ordered. This box, when it arrived, looked like it had come through a war zone. It was folded in half, bent up. It was not good. I was a little nervous about what I was gonna find inside, and it turns out that I should have been a little nervous. So when I saw the condition of the box, I actually took the canvas out of this box because I wanted to see A, if it was gonna have a terrible issue, and B, I wanted to see if anything could be done about it. So I have actually already taken the canvas out of the box. I've had this canvas stored under my table cover for a few days. And you guys, I did this not because I didn't want you to see the condition of the canvas when I got it, but because I wanted to see if it would make a difference, if I could flatten it out. So it was very, very wrinkled when I received it. I've had it sitting under my table cover, and here's where things stand now, which is a vast improvement. I must say, still not perfect, but definitely a vast improvement. I did reach out to my contact at Crafties, and I just said, I just wanted to let you know that this issue happened with shipping in my box. I know it's not their fault once it leaves their facility what the post office does with it, but my contact there did tell me that he's gonna touch base with the shipping company and just see what can be done about making sure those boxes arrive in a little better condition as far as is in his power. So, the custom that I ordered from Crafties is Van Gogh's The Church at Auvers. I love this piece because it reminds me of Doctor Who. Do I have any other Doctor Who fans in the house? I think this piece is really, really pretty. And when I saw it, I thought the bright colors would lend themselves to diamond painting really, really well. I wanted to make sure I showed you this because Crafties definitely offers more affordable customs than some of the vendors I've been highlighting recently. And I like to show you guys a lot of choices and a lot of price points. I'm never going to show you anything unlicensed, but even with licensed work, there are a number of sources where you can order customs at a variety of price points. So Crafties might be a great one for you to add to your list. Like I said, I will put my affiliate link in the description below. I'm also going to put Katie's and Katie's discount code so that you can shop there as well if you choose. This canvas has 37 colors. I did choose this time to get the canvas in a square because I wanted to see what the square drill quality was like from Crafties. Sadly, I have not had time to start this yet with the kids' graduation and all the things I have going on, but I'll definitely show you what comes in a Crafties custom. Now, one thing that's not going to come in a Crafties custom, they wanted me to be sure I let you know, is special drills, because their normal line of kits that they license from artists are charted with special drills, but these are all charted individually. So of course you can't standardize special drills in a custom. Of course you can add your own special drills should you wish, and it's very, very fun to do that. My impressions about the canvas on first glance is that this actually uses a much thicker canvas fabric than the other canvases I've received from Crafties. I really like this canvas fabric, even better than their other canvas fabric. I find stiffer fabric holds up better in framing, and I'm really excited about that. It feels very high quality. Of course, this is poured glue. Maybe now that I've had this sitting under my table a bit, I can flatten out the cover sheet even more. I do find, even when they're wrinkled, that poured glue canvases are fairly forgiving. So I'm hoping that this is going to turn out fine, even with some wrinkles in it. When I get the drills on it, I'm hoping it's going to be really nice and flattened out. I am really pleased with the rendering of this painting. That's my first impression. I got this in a 40 by 50, and that was the size that the manufacturer suggested. So once they gave me the size they suggested, I just went with it because I wanted to see how that would go. I think it looks great. All right, let's look at the drills. This is my first square drill from Crafties. Oh, look at those blues. That blue is amazing. Oh my gosh. These are the cellophane wrap drills, so you are gonna have to kit up. Very standard packaging for diamond paintings. It does have DMC numbers and as well as symbols. And the bags have DMC numbers, so that's very handy. I am seeing minimal trash in the drills. It was so beautiful and sunny when I started filming, and then of course I live in the mountains, and so a big rain/hailstorm had to come up, because it can't ever just rain where I live. It has to snow or it has to hail. All right, here's the inventory sheet that the canvas comes with. Everything's checked off there. Looks great. I never do inventory, you guys. I figure it's the company's job to make sure I have all my drills, and if I don't have all my drills, then it's their job to replace them. So I'm not a big inventory checker. Maybe that's a personal failing on my part, but it's not something you're gonna see in a lot of my videos. I love this shade of green. Oh my gosh. This is gonna have some really bright saturated colors. I love it. All those blues, that's lovely. I do have a few orphan drills floating around, but you know, in a factory where you have a million drills, I assume there are going to be some orphans floating around somewhere. All right, so I'm carefully looking at all the drills, and I'm not seeing a lot of trash. To me, like, drill quality is always the biggest issue with squares. And it's actually really difficult to find exceptional square drill quality. So that's something I want to look at carefully. Of course, as I start on this, that will be what really lets me know what the quality is like. So I'll keep you posted on that. The toolkit with this custom canvas came with a small white boat, 2 squishies, a sparkly white pen. I always have to make sure my squishies fit. They do. That's great. A 3-placer. Several pieces of wax. Those also got a little squished in the box, but no biggie there. And then a standard pair of pointed tweezers, a really basic but complete toolkit, everything you're gonna need to get started on your own canvas there. And I love that they include some multi-placers. That's a big deal to me. Love that. So overall, the pluses of this canvas, I would say, outweigh the negatives. The canvas fabric is fabulous. The rendering looks amazing. The drills look very good. My only small concern, like I said, was the squash box and shipping, which left some pretty impressive wrinkles in my canvas when I took it out of the box. I'm grateful to Crafties for looking into that issue with the shipping, just to see if anything else can be done. I am so excited to start this one. A canvas like this can really be a great alternative at a massively lower price point. So if that interests you, like I said, I have an affiliate link in the description below, both for myself and for Katie over at Diamonds and Washi. I'll also stick both of our discount codes down there If you have any questions, feel free to pop those in the comments below. I hope you have a marvelous week. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.